Step into your home. What do you see by the door? A pile of shoes, boot marks, umbrellas strewn about? What if that chaotic corner could feel intentional, polished, and welcoming every single day? Imagine your mudroom transformed into a beautifully organized hub, a place where shoes have style, clutter disappears, and arrivals feel uplifting. Today we're exploring 10 high-impact creative shoe storage decor ideas to help you reclaim that space and make your home feel more harmonious and put together.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How do you start planning stylish, functional shoe storage in a mudroom? Every great design begins with understanding how you live. Start by noting who uses the mudroom and how many pairs get kicked off daily. Measure your space, length, height, and traffic flow. Then define storage zones. Everyday shoes low and wide for quick grab and go. Seasonal options tucked higher or deeper. Choose units, built-in cubbies, open shelves or baskets, based on height and shoe types. A well-charted layout avoids wasted space and ensures form meets function with poise. Like this planning framework? Share it with someone tackling a new entry space. What materials make shoe shelves both durable and stylish? Choosing materials is key to marrying longevity with aesthetic appeal. Solid hardwood or medium-intensity plywood bring warmth and durability, perfect for heavy boots. Metal frames with hardwood or wire mesh shelving offer industrial flair and airflow. Combined materials, wood shelves with metal piping, create contrast and allow ventilation. Add a matte varnish to protect from scuffs. The right materials help your mudroom age beautifully and feel crafted for daily life. Should you choose open or closed storage for shoes? Open and closed systems each have benefits. Choose one or a mix that suits your style. Open units keep shoes visible for easy selection and encourage tidiness but expose clutter. Closed storage with doors or baskets hides mess and maintains calm. Try lower open shelves for daily footwear and upper bins or doors to store seasonal shoes out of sight. A mixed approach balances practicality, visual calm, and design. Can seating double as storage in a mudroom? Absolutely. Smart mudrooms pair form and function. A bench with under-seat cubbies or drawers provides comfy seating while housing shoes or slippers. Add a hinge-top bench with a lift-up lid for hidden storage pods. Choose cushioned seating in easy-to-clean fabrics or leather for durability. Including seating makes shoe changing more pleasant and practical, and visually anchors storage with inviting comfort. How can vertical space maximize your shoe storage without crowding? Elevate your storage to unlock hidden potential. Wall-mounted cubbies or slim shelves above a bench are perfect for lightweight shoes or accessories. Install a high shelf for infrequently worn items. Use hooks for hanging rain boots upside down to dry. Add tall, narrow shelving units to fit under staircases. By layering storage vertically, you get more space, keep the floor clear, and make the room feel airy and tall. What flooring and rugs protect your mudroom while adding decor? Mudroom floors need to be tough yet stylish. Tile, sealed concrete, vinyl, or luxury vinyl plank resist dirt and water. Place a low-profile, all-weather boot tray for wet footwear. Add a runner or rug in front of shelves and seat to catch trips. Choose natural fiber rugs, jute, sisal, or washable indoor-outdoor styles and patterns to hide dirt. Good flooring and textiles define zones and bring warmth. Your mudroom shoe storage doesn't have to be chaotic. It can become a stylish and intentional entry point that sets the tone for your entire home. By planning thoughtfully, selecting materials wisely, rotating seasonally, and adding decorative charm, You'll create a space that's organized, welcoming, and expressive of your life. Start with one idea and watch your mudroom transform into a daily source of calm and style.